Hey there, Sandra Edmond, Queen of Tax Deeds. I just wanted to update you guys and make sure that you know that you do have an opportunity to attend our most popular program, buying the properties at the tax deed and tax lien sale, which we call the 2-day field trip. So because of the shutdown, we've put much of that program, the whole program, online. So that's the program that we advertise on the site called Tax Deeds at Your Fingertips. It's basically doing it at your own pace. We have some video modules and some live modules. So it's a combination of online and live via video conference, not live in person, but live via video conference classes. So you get to speak to me, ask me questions, and things like that. So it is basically the same thing as a 2-day field trip. So the 2-day field trip covers how to buy the properties, either from the tax deed auction, how to find the deals before they get to the tax deed auction so you can beat the competition, and even how to buy them after the sale is over with and how to make money from properties that did go to the auction and nobody bought it, or those are the lands available, or properties that there's money left over. So let's say it did sell at the auction and the homeowner lost the property, there's an overage or surplus. And surplus is really lucrative. That's when people have money left over after the property has been sold at the auction. So we find those people and we help them, connect them with the money that they don't have. So we basically show them through us, we get the money for them and we charge them a percentage, a finder's fee for our work. So basically, there's just so many lucrative ways. You can buy the properties before the auction, you can buy them at the auction, you can wait to the ones that went to the auction and nobody bought, you can buy those off the lands available. You can buy the tax certificates. There are just so many lucrative opportunities. So I actually have real deals that we'll be going over with and discussing with you and showing you how to, if you're ready to start buying and taking advantage of the properties that are out there, because they still have the auctions going on, do go to my website, queenoftaxdeeds.com. Click on the education link, and then you'll be able to see a link for the online classes. And the one that we have made into the 2-day field trip is the Tax Deeds at Your Fingertips. Now, on that actual Tax Deeds at Your Fingertips, one of the last modules is a live session with me as we do an online auction together. So we're actually going to be doing an auction together. And I kind of tailor these field trips or these sessions for the person that's on there. So you kind of share with me what it is you're looking to do. And then I try to help you with that as well, either with doing it through a tax deed sale or whatever. So do go on the website and check out the online classes that we're offering. The Tax Deeds at Your Fingertips is meant to be, you can do it 1 week at a time, or if you want, you can speed through it and be done, in like a couple days or in 1 day. And then you just let us know when you have done through halfway through the modules, and then we'll do the live session, and then you'll do a couple more video sessions on your own, and then we do another live session at the end. So everybody that does this is also eligible to attend the real field trip when we start having live field trips again, when everything opens back up. Because of COVID, everything's shut down right now. We're certainly not offering the field trips in person anymore right now, but as soon as they start back up again, you're going to be able to come to the field trip as a repeat student. What is a repeat student? On the traditional 2-day field trip, once they've paid the initial amount, not the initial amount, but the full amount for the field trip, they can repeat that 2-day program as many times as they want. They just have to pay $39 each time. So once you've done the Tax Deeds at Your Fingertips, you are welcome to repeat the field trip again or repeat it as a field trip, as a repeat field trip student. Even though you haven't been on the traditional field trip, you did do it online, you're going to be able to repeat it for $39. That's a really good deal. We also send you the home study course, which comes with the USB drive, the manuals, the audios, and stuff like that. So we're constantly updating the information on the USB drive. So we share with you a link so that you can always get that info too. So anyway, that's what we're doing here. I just finished recording a few sessions for that program right now. So do get in touch with us, and if you're interested, go online. The price is on there. Ordinarily, our field trip is like $1,400. So I'm offering the tax deeds at your fingertips at half that price. So it's a really, really, really good deal, especially if you are ready to start making money, okay? So anyway, that's what I had to say about it. And here's a quick behind the scenes of a clip that I just did for one of the modules where I'm discussing one of my favorite websites and tools that I like to use to combine with tax deeds, because there's always so much out there that you can combine and use in your real estate business. So I've been doing this since 2004. So along that way, I've picked up some pretty good tips. So I'm just sharing those along with you too. And we're celebrating our 16 years in this business. So this is a sweet 16 year for Ardennis Inc., my company. So we hope to celebrate with, you know, a huge party at a restaurant and have fun and stuff. But right before that, we had this issue with the pandemic. So we'll have to come up with another way to do it once this pandemic is over with. All right. So anyway, do go on queenoftaxdeeds.com and click on education. And from there, you'll be able to see the online classes. Click on online classes, and then you'll be able to see tax deeds at your fingertips and get access to. So if you have any questions, you are more than welcome to contact us here in the office, which is 407-279-1241. That's 407-279-1241. In the meantime, here's a quick clip of something that I just recorded earlier, just, you know, going through one of my websites that I like to use in this stuff. All right, happy investing, and I look forward to seeing you on the tax deeds at your fingertips.